Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Now I'm going to show you LG monitor 32 inches curve monitor. This is the model number of this model. So let's unbox the unit. 32 inches curved budget monitor comes with a full HD 1920 by 1080 and 100 Hz. User manual, power adapter. It comes with HDMI cable and power cable, 3-pin UK type. So one adapter, one HDMI cable, one power cable and user manual. These are the ports available: two HDMI port, one VGA port, one headphone jack port. It's a wall mount option it has. This is the backside look of this monitor. So let's fix the stand. So one stand will be there, only one screw you need to fix. So easy to fix. There is not required any other tools. With your hand you can fix. Here you can see power port as well as menu button also. You can adjust the brightness and all. This is the backside look, wall mount option, and there is a locking system also. This is the details of this monitor. This is the front side look. 1000 R curve, 32 inches budget monitor. This is a 32 inches VA panel. You can see the curve look. It's not too much curve, it's a light curve. This is the backside look. The complete details dimension I am going to mention in the description. Please like the video and subscribe.